Okay, you're welcome back into our last lesson, which is the 10th lesson. And this lesson, we are going to build and release our software for the public to use. So we are going to follow the procedure so that you get the executable file, the exe file, so that you can send to others for them to install on their computers. But before that, let's go to the about form. You need to do some little thing there. The about form, okay, we have not worked on that, so let's try to add some labels there. So label, okay, so let's type something here. So text, okay. So let's format this one. Let's go to font, then let's change the size to something like this. Okay, let's reduce the size again to 14. Okay, so this is an English learning software, so we can copy this. Okay, so with the back, okay, back color. Okay, let's maintain this. Okay, then let's copy this one. I can just copy and then paste. Then we can paste it again. Okay, so you can add any text that you want. For me, I want to just display this kind of text here. This is an English Learn app, so this one I'll add designed by John Appiah. Okay, so let me add this one to it here. Your roots academic. So I can still copy this one here. So let me add this one. Okay, so I can add this. Okay, let me add some back color to it and see if it will okay. think this is okay. Okay, so now let's add a button that will send us back to our dashboard. So let me select one of the designs here, then copy this. Let's copy this one, then come and paste it here. Okay, so we have this one here. Let's check. Okay, the naming is that. So let's go here and copy the code for this. So this is the code. We need this. Okay, let's copy this one, then go edit it. Okay, then let's double click on this one, then add the code. Oh, we don't need this one here, so let's just delete this one. Good. So that's it. So you can now save it. Okay, so now let's go with how to debug or how to release our form. Okay, so first of all, let's go to project, then you click on the last item, the project name properties, and click on it to open this window for you. Then you select the startup form, change to loading screen. Then you remain you just you can change the name here. Let's say you want the name of your system to be something like so let me change this one to your root alphabet app. Okay, so we can change this one here. Then you go to this side. See, you have sign in here. So the sign in here, when you first of all open yours, this one will not be ticked. So you first of all you need to tick this one, make sure it is selected. Then you come to this side, you click on the select from file. Then click on select from file to send it to your system, and you have some temporary files here. So one of these, so either you see one or you can see two. So you can just select one of them, then you click on open, then it will open for you. So after that, then you can now go ahead and then publish your system. So you click on publish again, then you come to this side. So this side, you are going to create a folder. So click on you click on the small dot here to open the dialog box for you. Then see that there's a small icon here. It wants you to create a folder. But where you want to create a folder, for me, I want to create a folder in my user folder and under documents. So anywhere you want to place, you just click on it. So I want to place it here. Then I'll create a window, a folder for it. Then I name it setup. Name it setup. Okay, so that's where I'm going to place my software files and folders. Okay, so you have this here. But this version, because I've already debugged some, you see that I'm having two version 2, but yours you can change it to 0. But for your default will be 0, but you can change it to any number that you want. Okay, so for me, I want to change this one rather to 2, and this one 0. Okay, so now you can then you can come to this side. Let's click on the options. Okay, so the option, you can add the publisher name. So the publisher name, John Appear. Okay, then the product name, okay, you can just ignore it. Let's ignore that one for now, and then click on OK. So let's now publish our system. Okay, so it's now loading for us. You see that it is now successful. Our system is now published. So this is the setup file. So the moment you want to send, if you want someone to install it on a PC or also a computer, all you need is to send this folder, this whole folder, or the setup folder, to that person, and the person will just install it. That's all. So that is how we debug or how we release our software. Okay, so this is the end of the lesson. This is the end of the training, and I believe you enjoyed the training, and I want you to continue to learn VB because it's an interesting programming language and easy to learn. Thank you all, and hope to see you in another lesson or in another training. Have a nice day. God bless you. Bye.